Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update Windows on your LENOVO V15. First, open the Start menu on your computer, then go to Settings. Then in Settings, open Windows Update section. Now, first and foremost, make sure that you have an internet connection before you do that. If you don't have any updates prepared right here, to which you can click Download and Install, you can click Check for Updates and wait until your device checks if there are any updates for it. For additional updates, you can also check Advanced Options and Optional Updates. Now here you can check optional updates for your Windows, and also driver updates, which are more important, which I highly recommend downloading by hitting the checkbox next to them and clicking Download and Install. Now, once the updates are installed on your device, you may have to restart your computer sometimes. In such case, you'll get notified via the notification in the notification center of your Windows, so in the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll also see the Restart Now option right here. And as you can see, I don't have to restart my computer for this update, but generally speaking, if you do have to, then of course restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.